So you get the keys to your new home, but what really makes it legally yours? It's not the keys, not the mortgage, and definitely not just a handshake.
It all comes down to the deed. Think of it like the official bill of sale for a property.
But for that transfer to be legit, the deed has to have a few essential ingredients.
And get this, if even one of these elements is missing, the whole thing could be invalid. Now here's a weird detail. The seller has to be competent, but the buyer doesn't. Oh, and here's a common mix-up. Only the seller signs the deed, not the buyer.
This brings up a great point. A deed can be valid between two people, but not yet official.
You know, not all deeds are the same. It really comes down to the promises a seller makes. The general warranty deed is the absolute gold standard. It gives the buyer the most protection. Then you have the special warranty deed. It's more limited. Think bank-owned properties. And a quitclaim deed? It makes zero promises. It's mostly just used for fixing paperwork errors. So as you can see, protection can range from ironclad all the way down to basically nothing. So how does ownership actually change hands? Well, it can happen voluntarily or involuntarily. Yeah, these are all ways an owner can actually lose their property against their will. Okay, so you have a deed. Great. Now, how do you protect your new property from other claims? You do it by recording it. This gives what's called constructive notice to the entire world. Let me show you why this is a huge deal with a quick story. So, buyer A gets the deed, but they just stick it in a drawer and forget about it.
Then, the crooked seller sells the exact same house to buyer B, who has no idea.
Now, buyer B is smart. They head straight to the courthouse and record their deed right away. So, who do you think legally owns the house now? Buyer A or buyer B? It's buyer B, because they recorded first. Their claim is legally stronger. But what if the public record itself is messy? That's what we call a cloud on the title. The good news is there's a whole legal process for finding and cleaning up these kinds of issues. And this is exactly where title insurance comes in. It protects you from surprises from the past. It makes you wonder, right? Is your own property's title as secure as you think it is?